Apple's latest face-off. iPhone 16 Plus versus iPhone 15 Pro, two powerhouse devices, but which one truly wins in real life? On the left, the future-ready iPhone 16 Plus, bigger screen, biggest battery ever, and the speediest chip yet. On the right, the iPhone 15 Pro, premium titanium build, ProMotion display, and camera features that wow. Let's skip the marketing speak and break down what really matters to you. Both phones are put through 7 key categories, points awarded, and you'll see the winner at the end. Trust us, the final result might surprise you.
Here's where we'll compare these two. Price, performance, battery life, display and design, camera, connectivity, and size and build. Think of it like a big mind map, so you know we're covering all the details you care about.
Okay, first up, price. The iPhone 16 Plus? Well, you're definitely paying for the latest and the greatest with that bigger screen and beefed up battery. I mean, honestly, the launch price is probably going to sting a bit. But hey, new tech always does, right? On the other hand, iPhone 15 Pro, oh, and this is kind of cool, since it's last year's flagship, there are way more deals floating around. It's got that slick Pro camera and display, but at a less eye-watering price point. So, yeah, if value is what you're after, 15 Pro quietly sneaks ahead here. Performance time! The 16 Plus packs Apple's shiny new A18 chip, which is, get this, about 12% faster for single-core tasks. You can expect smoother gaming and cooler performance too, which is actually clutch for those long binge sessions. Downside, it's still got the standard 8GB RAM. Not quite pro level. Now, the 15 Pro's A17 Pro chip is still zippy. Games run great, apps feel super responsive, but it's just a hair slower, with a touch more heat under load. Not a deal breaker, but the 16 Plus? Yeah, it takes the performance crown.
Let's talk battery life. Because, honestly, who wants their phone dying before dinner? The 16 Plus comes with a massive battery. Seriously, like 1,400 milliamp hours more than the 15 Pro. That means you can squeeze out up to 39% longer time between charges. We're talking 34 hours versus 24. Downside, this thing is a little chunky and heavier. Still, the 15 Pro's battery is pretty good for its size, but you'll be heading to that charger way more often. So, for battery life, the 16 Plus wins hands down. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. The iPhone 16 Plus packs the biggest battery ever inside a non-Pro iPhone. Seriously, it's a charging beast. Display and design. So, the 16 Plus has this big, beautiful 6.7-inch OLED, super bright at 2000 nits, and there's even better low minimum brightness for night owls. But yeah, here's where it kind of falls flat. Still stuck at 60 Hz refresh rate, no ProMotion, and no always-on display. You know what? That's a bummer. Flip to the 15 Pro, it's smaller, 6.1-inch, but it feels fantastic in the hand. You get crazy sharp graphics, 120 Hz ProMotion, adaptive refresh all the way down to 1 Hz, and always-on. Plus, that slim titanium build, that's just premium. So, display features, 15 Pro wins this round without a doubt. Camera showdown! The 16 Plus actually brings a solid 48 megapixel main camera, close focus for those macro-like shots, and image processing is stepped up. But here's the catch. It's got a slightly smaller sensor and aperture than the Pro, and no 3x optical zoom. Meanwhile, the 15 Pro is all about those pro-grade camera features. You get 48 megapixels with real 3x optical zoom, macro mode using ultra-wide, and Pro-RAW support. The only nitpick? The sensor's smaller than the Pro Max, but who's counting? For camera lovers, 15 Pro crushes it. Connectivity! Now, something fun. The iPhone 16 Plus debuts Wi-Fi 7 support. That's the latest gen wireless tech, so you're getting faster streaming and smoother gaming. And hey, no real downsides on standards here. For the 15 Pro, it's packing great 5G and Wi-Fi 6E, but yeah, no Wi-Fi 7. If you want your phone totally future-proofed for your home network, the 16 Plus is the clear winner. Last bit, size and build. The 16 Plus looks modern and slim, got that ceramic shield in front, but oh boy, 199 grams and almost 78 millimeters wide. Yeah, it's a chunky phone, and kind of hard to use one-handed. Meanwhile, the 15 Pro is lightweight, just 187 grams, and noticeably narrower, so it feels way easier to grip. Plus, Titanium frame, that's legit premium. Downside, smaller screen if you care about that. But for a perfect balance, the 15 Pro nails it here. Let's recap with a visual. Imagine the two phones side by side on a radar chart. Each category beams out, and you can really spot where the 16 Plus surges ahead, like battery and performance, and where the 15 Pro still flexes, especially on display and camera. This makes the split super obvious. So, real talk, if you want smooth scrolling with ProMotion, epic zoom on the camera, and a lighter premium feel for a lower price, iPhone 15 Pro is a smart pick right now. But if you're all about battery life, next-gen wireless, and you want the biggest screen with the fastest chip, the 16 Plus is honestly the upgrade everyone's going to be talking about in 2025.
Think this helped you out?
Drop a like, stick around for new Apple comparisons, and hey, that perfect upgrade might be closer